991 of Iasa. 911 of Iasa. Um, if you turn this, if you flip this a certain way, it'll read IBB IB. What is that? Is that a word? Nah, that's IBB. Let me show you something I don't know. What will today's Iasa be about? The ideal size of something. Ideal size. Well, this sign is not too small and it's not too big either. Now, you've heard some people say bigger is better. But when something reaches a certain size, then that changes. And it starts to break down. And then the exact opposite becomes true. Smaller is better. But the same can be true when something gets too small. When something's so small you can't keep up with it. If something is so small that when it falls on the ground you can't even find it, it's too small. When something is so large you can't even lift it, it's too large. Something so large it won't fit in this place, it's too large. Yes. So, ideal sizes. People are studying this and trying to reach a conclusion based on what is the ideal size of anything. And shape and texture. A fairly big problem with a lot of these spaceships is that the ideal shape needed to get itself into space is likely different from the ideal shape once it gets into space to travel through space. What about a starship? Isn't that the same thing? I don't think so. A spaceship travels through space. A starship travels among the stars. Now, stars are further away from us than the casual space. All we have to do to get to space is get out of Earth's orbit. To travel among the stars, you have to travel a lot further. Now, people may not realize this, but the stars are a lot further from us than, say, Venus or Mercury or Pluto. It's true. It's true. And that's why they look so tiny and so small. It's because they are so fucking far away. They're huge. They're humongous. Anyway. As of 10 p.m. close enough non-daylight confusion time, 11 p.m. close enough daylight confusion time. Central time. Time Force Megazord. Red mode. The 7th day of October 2019. I am still living. Oh, I guess you were surprised I remembered the different modes of the Time Force Megazord. I still cannot stand daylight confusion time. We should get rid of it. Today is the 205th day of summer 2019 with 85 days remaining. Summer is still here, yes. It's still summer. Summer is not over. Alright, now, temperature check. Inside's 20.4 degrees centigrade. I wish it was 2 in here. 20.4 degrees, 24.5 degrees centigrade. Outside's 21.8 degrees centigrade. Remember that? What do you do? Healing wishes to Bernie Sanders, but please think about your health, Bernie. It's not worth. No, you're running for president. It's not worth risking your health. Yeah, that's what I need to say.